So next one is onboarding AgenticFlow agent to your team workspace. So what does that mean? We was having some discussion. You know that I have the frequent call with the customer who have tier 3 and tier 4. You can book my time and we can chat. And we learned that AgenticFlow agent is good to building us, but it is better if we can launch the agent into my team workspace. So for example, like what we have in here is Rachel. So Rachel is the agent that we're using that to demonstrate the multi-agent system. And right now, Rachel is live in our Discord channel. You can mention Rachel, give her a task, and then what Rachel is doing is that she will demonstrating the ability of this one. So let me show you how is it look like in Discord. Let me go back to Discord. And let me change the screen to this one. Let me add one more windows, which is this window. Okay. You should see in here. Let me on YouTube. Let me change to Discord as well. You can see me on Discord. Yep. So if you go into Discord and you go into AgenticFlow, and you will see that there's some chat that I already try in here. And for example, like you just put it here and you copy the message. And you can just using that, Rachel, you paste a message to her and Rachel will start working. So see, acknowledge. Whoops. Some unexpected error happened. So, okay, let me try one more time. Okay, I think there's something went wrong with the server, but just before I have task and it's working. So for example, like this one, so I gave her like a task like find a list of top agent framework to build agentic system, and then I'm come here. I will see that firstly, agent Rachel, which is actually Rachel is just a lead researcher, and what Rachel is doing is that she will call to an agent. This is a bad ID. We will still need to put the name out here. But that agent is actually doing the, like expanding the queries. So based on the user input here, this agent, which is like a prompts master, they will expanding the question. And what is the prioritized information, like official and so on. So it is making like the prompt more comprehensive. And then it will assign to another agent, which is the researcher, that the researcher is going to conduct the actual research and it's going to giving the result with the source of the data and so on and so on with the conclusion. This happen in the background. So it means you can launching different chats like this one. And if your team is using like Discord or like Slack or maybe Teams and so on, it will be very natural to your team in order to using this agent without having to go into AgenticFlow to use the agent. So this is something that I believe that this is kind of like very insightful for me, that knowing that this is useful to everyone. So in August, we will prioritize that we can publishing agent to where you are working. So right now you can onboard an AI agent to where your team is working. So I hope that this is something that that will be useful, and we will make it super simple for you to deploy an agent in different platform. Let me go back into my how can I turn back? I need to go back to my stage. I was changing the stream. So what we are aiming to do in August is that we will allow you to onboarding AgenticFlow agent and multi-agent to your workspace. So we will start with Discord first because this one is something that we are quite easy. So it means we will ask as a public button where you need to provide some of the information like the bot token, name, and then you can be able to connect your agent and multi-agent system into Discord. We will make it kind of the same for Slack and Telegram. For WhatsApp, because this really require WhatsApp business account. So at the moment we are putting it as a question mark. Depends on the community interest. We can revisit this one in August, but in a short period of August, we will trying to support these three onboarding, so that you can actually onboarding not only agent but also multi-agent system to your team Workspace, or maybe your client Workspace. So that is what will be changed in this route.